Struggling to get views on shorts? Many people are having that problem right now. You put in all of that effort just to get shafted with 0 views, and YouTube doesn't even give you a chance. Let me give you a few things you can do in order to finally get pushed out in the algorithm. And you may be thinking, how does this guy know what he's talking about? Well, I run multiple shorts channels and have well over 600 million views. I also have 2 of these beauties, so I'd say I know what I'm talking about. Anyways, the first thing you can do to break that 0 view curse is warm up your channel. Sounds pretty strange, but hear me out. When you make a new channel and immediately start posting, it's highly likely YouTube will see you as a bot. So to prevent this, spend at least 2 to 4 hours interacting with different videos over the span of a few days. Comment on them, like them, subscribe to channels, just be normal. After you've done this for a few days, then begin to upload your shorts. The second thing you can do is add value to your shorts. If you make the exact same content as someone else, then why would YouTube push your video? Be somewhat creative, maybe add some B-rolls, visual effects, music, transitions, sound effects. Depending on the type of content that you make, you can even try adding commentary with an AI voice generated through ElevenLabs. Do not just post plain content. One thing I see a lot of YouTubers promote nowadays are these mass generated AI videos. Trust me, don't do them. They're not even monetizable, but they'll never tell you that. The third thing which you need to do is add hashtags to your shorts. It doesn't matter whether it's in the description or the title, hashtags have to be there. Not just any random ones either. Make sure you either have hashtag shorts or hashtag short. You can put both, but it won't really make a difference. The fourth thing which you need to avoid is deleting and re-uploading your shorts. If it wasn't pushed once, it likely won't be pushed again. And if you keep deleting and re-uploading your shorts, it's highly likely your account will be marked under bot activity. That will then result in a shadow ban, which will just make the curse everlasting. The fifth thing you can do if you really feel like the 0 views is haunting you is make channels on different devices. Maybe try making one on your family member's phone, or tell your friend to upload your shorts through an account he makes on his computer. It isn't guaranteed to work, but at that point you may as well try. Just don't post the same shorts across these devices, make sure that they're all different. Now the sixth thing you can do to escape the 0 view prison is the obvious. Stay consistent. Many people who I see complaining about this issue have less than 5 uploads. At least try upload daily for over a month before you label yourself as a victim of YouTube's algorithm. During these daily uploads, try to improve one thing each video to add more and more value. Explore different styles, learn new editing skills, and have fun with it. Now, the 7th thing you can do is join my Patreon. Smooth, right? Yeah, well, if you're struggling to get views, you can get direct help from me. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or already have hundreds of videos posted, this membership is designed for everyone. When you join, you get everything from weekly group calls, a valuable shorts course, video resources, tips on how to grow your channel, lessons on shorts, underrated niches, and more. The goal here is I'm trying to create an exclusive community for people who want to make money with YouTube and create viral content. Now is the best time to get into shorts, so if you want to take it seriously, don't waste any more time and join my Patreon with the link in the description.